how much do you really need to buy a house in Belgium? With this video, I just want to answer the amount of money, the amount of savings you totally need to have before you can buy a house in Belgium. The answer to that question is actually variables, because the amount of money you need to buy a house depends on the worth of the house you are buying. Simply means someone buying a house worth 200,000 is not going to be paying the same money, or does not have to have the same amount of money or save up as the person that is buying a house of 300,000 euros, or the person that is buying a house of 400,000 euros is definitely going to pay or need more money than someone that is buying a house of 200,000 euros. There's that question, and the answer to that question is actually variables, because it depends on your situation that you are in. But I have this genuine website that I've been using for years. That website have never failed me, and it's always correct and it's always accurate. Now the website is called notary.be, www.notary.be. I will definitely put the website in the caption below. It's notary.be. That's the website where you can go. You answer question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. Then that website normally calculates the amount of money you will be needing in your situation. After you have answered the questions you are being asked, you will be needing to purchase or to buy your house. But one thing I will personally advise, and one thing I've always personally do, and I will personally do, is that let's assume they will go to the website. The website calculates 13,000 euros for you. Depends on your questions you answer, depends on the worth of your house you are going to buy. If the website calculates 13,000 euro, make sure you always round it up to 15,000 euro. If the website calculates 18,000 euro for you, make sure you always round it up to 20,000 euro. The point is that when the website gives you a certain amount of money, don't just think the website told me 12,000 euro. Go and start gathering 12,000 euro and think you are ready. Make sure you always have a little bit more than the website suggested that you should have. So to answer the question, the amount of money you really need to buy a house in mortgaging, in ownership system in Belgium depends on the worth of the house, and of course depends on your personal situation. There is a website. The website is called notary.be, where I normally and I've always used to calculate this amount. That website is correct, it's accurate, but I will always advise anybody who is going to use that website to make sure that they add extra money on top. If the website says 15k, make sure you have at least 20 to 18k. Always have extra on top of the money the website calculated for you. So that is how you can know the amount of money you really need to have in order to buy a house in Belgium.